Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little play area for your birds. So, depending on how big your bird is, you're going to want to get a big cardboard box. I have a Lowe's moving box that is small. Get back on the newspaper. It is going to be for these two birds, and I'm going to turn it into a play area. I got the idea of turning this into a play area after I cut out some of the cardboard, which is now over there, to use as a cage divider. And the humming noise is my window fan in the background. So let's get started. First, you're going to want a 16 by 12 by 12 box, depending on what size your bird is. If it's parakeet, this is a perfect size for it. If it's cockatiel, this is a great size for it as well. A food dish, which is optional, and a source of water, which you're gonna want. Okay, so most of these boxes have these handles on it. What you want to do is check to see if your food dish will fit through it. See, mine will not. If your food dish will not fit through it, find out how much you need to cut off and cut a little slit in there and just push it through. That way the birds cannot take it out. I need to put this down somewhere so I can show you. Oops, that's good. Okay. Let's see if I can manage to get this the way I want it to. Just put a bunch of bead things underneath the tablet bead. And there. Okay, so I'm going to close this background. So it seems like it's lighter. Yep, that's perfect. We are going to need hold on 1 minute. Hold on 1 minute. Okay, so what you're going to need is a pair of scissors. Ow. Come on. A pair of scissors. Some toys, preferably mirrors. Did I just say mirrors? A rope, perch, which is optional, and just a perch. You can have as many perches as you want. And some perch rings, which are also optional, which I guess are like toys. Okay. So, please don't spill, please don't spill. Let's just cut this off. Now, you have to cut this off. Where did I put my scissors? I put them on the floor. What? Okay. No, you cannot play with Chris. Huh? Hello. Leave like a little bit of Yes, yes, okay. I don't understand a word you're saying. And now get some paper to put on the bottom. Okay. Now we need the food dish. Or treat holder, whatever you're holding, whatever you have. Do the food dish. Open like one of these. Stick the food dish in. Hold on a minute. And make sure you can get the food dish out. Okay, so this thing, cut a little bit off of it. And then just stick it there. So it's closed. And you can do the same thing to a water dish over here. But I have this, so I'm just going to like leave it in the corner or something. And then open it in the back or something. Now, I'm going to put this birch in. And how am I going to do that exactly? By doing this. That did not work. That did not work either. These are sharper. Okay, that actually made a hole. So, I'm going to put this like here. Maybe a bit diagonal. on. This is a 16-inch perch in a 16-inch box. Why the hell is it not working? Hold on 1 minute while I try to get this perch in the box. Okay, so I could not manage to get the perch in the cage, but not the cage, the place up, but I did manage to get this one in. So. Just put the perch rings on. Just put it back in. And then of course here's the water source, which takes up a lot in this little play area. If I can find out how much I need to cut, probably like up here. There's going to be up there. Some more here maybe.
Nora, what are you doing?
Okay, that's perfect. While I cut away at this, I'll be back. There. How I put the mirror up, I realized that it no longer had its hook on it.
Nora, do you want your
So I
pop-up
put it in a
Bravo?
slit.
Yeah. Give it to me. No, where did you put it?
Will you go back downstairs? You don't belong up here.
I want to see Nora.
No, you don't need to see her.
Hello? What?
What? Now where are the
Nora. What do you? That's not more than I call it. That's
Uh-oh.
Go downstairs and come out and get it. I'm going back downstairs.
Get out of my room.